Unraveling Predilection Towards, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that might sound complex at first, but is incredibly useful once you understand it. Predilection towards. We're going to break down what it means, how to use it in a sentence, and why it might be a great addition to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started. The phrase, predilection towards, is made up of two key parts. First, predilection, which is a noun that means a strong liking, preference, or a tendency to favor something. When we add towards to it, we're specifying the direction of that preference or liking. In simpler terms, if you have a predilection towards something, it means you are naturally inclined to like or favor it over other options. This preference isn't forced. It's something that comes to you naturally, often without much reasoning. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use predilection towards in sentences. This will not only help you understand the phrase better but also show you how to incorporate it into your everyday English. 1. Example. She has a predilection towards classical music, always choosing it over other genres. 2. Example. Despite the popularity of digital books, he maintains a predilection towards paperbacks for their tactile experience. 3. Example. There's a noticeable predilection towards organic foods among consumers today, driven by health and environmental concerns. Notice how in each example, the phrase helps to convey a strong, natural preference for something specific. You might wonder, why bother using a phrase like predilection towards? The answer lies in its ability to convey depth of preference and specificity in one's tastes or inclinations. It adds nuance to your language, allowing you to express your preferences in a sophisticated and precise manner. Additionally, understanding and using such phrases can enhance your English comprehension and make your communication more effective, especially in formal or academic settings. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, predilection towards. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase. And perhaps you've discovered a new predilection towards using more nuanced English in your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful insights into the English language. Happy learning!